Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the November kit lineup and this one's actually going to go up in time. Woohoo! So let's get straight into it. November 3rd to November 9, I'm going to be using the Pinky Swell kit. Also, I don't know if these ones, they might have underlays, but we'll see. So just wanted something a bit more brighter, and I just wanted to use the kits that I have on hand. I could print some out, but I was like, I've been printing and cutting so much lately that I'm just like, nope, just use what you have. Here's a vertical kit. Such pretty colours, especially for spring. Absolutely love it. Next November the 10th to the 16th, I think, I'm using the Butterflies kit. Absolutely beautiful. I know it hasn't printed correctly, but it's for me. This version is not available for sale, so that's fine. Unless I do it as a printable, but we shall see. Sorry, tummy. It does come with a couple of extras. So you got the header, the icons, the work boxes, the glitter headers there, and then just some exercise ones if you're into that. And then I'm also going to pair it with these Butterfly 2 underlays. Not exactly sure what colour I'm going to pick, but nonetheless it's there. And then from November 17th to the 23rd, I am picking the Lemons kit. Absolutely beautiful. I say that about every kit, honestly, because I made them. Love the patterns on these. So pretty. Got the solid boxes. There. Love these pastel colours. They're really, really pretty together. Beautiful washi. So my newer kits will have the solid, oh my god, I keep moving up and I don't know why, the solid date covers. And then it comes with these because it is a vertical kit, full weekly kit. I'm really tired, guys. It is currently 2 in the morning and I am freaking tired. So that's why I keep rambling on and I need to go to bed. Yeah, I am probably going to maybe design some lemon underlays for that one. Now we're going from November 24th to the 30th, and this is the last kit of the week, the month, and I'm using Pink Flowers. This one I know people have ordered quite a few times, so I thought I would share with you all what the kit looks like and what it's going to look like in your planner. Such a pretty kit. I'm missing a page. There we go. I love this washi, and I just made that into a separate box. And then because it's a full kit, you get all of those as well. So pretty. Absolutely love it. I think I'm going to be pairing in some flower underlays as well. All I have left to do, sorry, is to film the December one, which I'm not going to do until next time. But I do want to get this video up and running. So if you guys do see this and you do reach the end, please use code, which I will write on the screen for you, 15CCA, to get yourself 15% off. That's 15CCA to get yourself 15% off anything in the shop on my Etsy store, available from the 30th or whenever this is posted until the 15th. Let me see. Yeah, until the 15th of November. I think that's enough time anyway. I think I have a 40% off sale at the moment. that might run to the 5th anyway, but yeah, if you guys want to save yourself some dollars, don't forget to use 15CCA for your discount. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything, and turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on one of my videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!